What drives us forward? It's the unknown. The ideal life that we have been yearning for. Or a place that has never been reached. Let's search for answers from the history of reach. Since our founding in Miami, USA in 1999, we have been focusing on the research and development of automotive thermal management system products. We have set up R&D centers and manufacturing bases in Shanghai and Jiangsu Province, China, Mexico, and Brazil to realize the ecological industrialization of the automotive aftermarket. We have established more than 10 logistics warehousing and distribution centers in the United States, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, and Europe. With more than 200,000 square meters of warehousing and distribution space worldwide, and nearly 1 million products in stock, we can meet local customer needs in a fast manner. Every year, millions of products are produced here and sent all over the world. We are engineers, designers, quality control, and logistics experts. We strive to be a whole-chain solution provider to help our customers with some of the great challenges they face today. We have established a sophisticated quality information management system, which strictly selects suppliers and raw materials from all regions of the world to strengthen product quality control. All products comply with international certification standards, such as ISO 9001 and IATF 16949. We boast strong product development capabilities, which enables us to have tens of thousands of varieties of product lines. Superior manufacturing capabilities enable us to deliver 30,000 customized orders per day. Our warehouses around the world provides one-stop service for the global markets and can reach any corner of the local market within 48 hours. We have specialized product management and e-catalog teams in every market of the whole world, bringing the most efficient service to our supply chain partners and customers. We are moving towards a low-carbon future. The auto industry is endeavored to realize environmental-friendly development of the production of vehicles to make the world healthier, safer, smarter, and more sustainable. We have a passionate team. We ensure that every employee's experience and perspective is respected and spare no effort in creating a work environment of diversity, equality, full freedom, and unlimited creativity. We always adhere to the concept of customer first. In the future, any field that requires thermal management will leave the footprint of reach, the distance you want to reach. We will always be by your side. Reach everywhere.